Tempus Edax Rerum is an exhibition of woodcut prints by the local artist David Borg.
Il-mogħdija taż-żmien u l-kundizzjoni umana kienu ż-żewġ protagonisti ta' wirja ta' xogħlijiet mill-artist David Borg. Tempus Edax Rerum sabet darha fil-Gemelli Art Gallery f'Ta Qali tul Settembru li għadda.
It is entitled Tempus Edax Rerum, which literally translates to time that devours all things. Now, this is a phrase that's taken from Ovid's Metamorphoses. Time is very central towards this exhibition, and it's very central as well to the line of thought which the artist, David Borg, wished to convey through this exhibition. He focuses on the three main themes of human nature, the cyclical nature of life, and time. Now, this is quite a complex concept which was selected for this exhibition, but it's very much true to what the artist believes in, both in his practice and as well in his means of thought. There are 15 artworks which are divided in threes. Now, it's important to note that the division of these 15 artworks in groups of three echo the principle of the concept of time and the nature of life as well. You have the three stages of life, which are birth, existence, and death, which is essentially what the artworks in this exhibition wish to convey. So it is a very central aspect when it came to curating this exhibition. We really wished this message to come across, and we also hope for the audience to remain in touch with this concept as well. We wish for the audience to look at these artworks and to appreciate them for their technical quality and to really appreciate the artistic technique of them, the very precise lines in the engravings of the woodcut, which is then printed on the Japanese paper of these works. But also, we wish for the audience to take a step back, to appreciate the artistic technique, but to also take a step back and appreciate these works for what they might evoke within as well. The exhibition is found at Gemelli Art Gallery in Ta Qali Arts and Crafts Village, and the prints which are exhibited come in limited editions as well. The exhibition of works in this space takes an approach, in addition to the concept of time and human nature, which we've been speaking about. It also takes a more or less holistic approach to the artist's career so far as well. The artworks presented have been from 2012 up until this present day, 2022, and it shows more or less the artist's journey so far. Obviously, he's been using the woodcut technique for the past 10 years, and he intends to continue experimenting both with this technique, but also with other media as well. This exhibition more or less serves as a retrospective of his work up until now and of what he has produced, and as well, it looks forward to what he will continue to be producing.